Okay, on your mobile, what you can do is you can download the Canva app, and once you have the Canva app, sign into your same account on which I have sent you the link. That means the school email account. Now, after you have clicked on the school email, logged into the Canva app, you will have something like this. Now, the best part of using Canva on the mobile is that you can do a lot of things just like that you can do on the computer. So here what you need to do is you have to go to the same class that you were at. And how to find that? You will go and try to figure out where your class is. Go to menu. Now I clicked on the menu at the bottom, and here I see the class. I will go to the same class, and these are the templates. Now for example, if I want to use this template, so I'm going to click make a copy, and I'm doing all of these things on my mobile. Yes. So here is the template that I should be using. You don't need to wait for the computer to for you to use. You can do it right on your mobile at this point. You click on the text. Once you click on the text, at the bottom you can see it says font size, font, and edit. Now if you want to change meet the teacher and you want to write something else, it is showing you that you can make the change. Make the change. I am changing. May meet your teachers if there are two teachers, so you can do that. If you want to change something else, once you have done that, what you can do is um, click again. You can change the font color. You don't want this color, choose anything from here, go back, click, see the color has been changed. What else you can do? You can font size. Yes, you can change the font size. So easy on the mobile, right? And here again you can move these things wherever you want. The other thing is how to change the color of the whole this thing, right? The main thing, the main this page. Like I clicked outside, here you can see at the bottom it's color. Click and change the color to any other color that you want. Oh yes, not this one. So you can play around with colors from your mobile phone easily. Okay, for example, if you don't want this, you can undo it from the top. Undo is at the top. I'm undoing again. I don't want these colors. Now I like white. Now the rest of the things, I think you must have understood how to change all these things. Now element, if you want any element on your poster, click on the plus sign. Now once you click on the plus sign, at the bottom you can see it says elements. Click on elements, and here you see all those elements that I showed you on the computer also. Now if you click on graphics, you can click on all and see the different ones that you have. Scroll down and check. All right, let's use the same one that we used before. Now let's come to the picture changing one. Now I don't, okay, tap to close. Okay, now I don't want to use this picture. I'm going to delete it. This picture, yes, delete image. Now this place is empty. I want to replace it. I will go to images. Images. Now these are the images that were there on my mobile phone. So I can take this picture. So you can do the same thing. Or if you don't want to place it in this, undo, undo, undo. It's not moving. Okay, replace, and okay, let's try this. This looks better. So everything can be done on the mobile phone also. Now how to save it? What you will do is the left arrow that is showing the bottom, it's pointing downwards. You will click and it is saving it, and it's going to save it on your close this, and this thing has been saved on your mobile phone. Now I will go to my gallery. This is my gallery. Now here I can see, and where is that? Canva has created a folder on its own. I will click, and there's my Canva. So everything can be done right here in the school on your mobile phones. So good luck and bye bye.